Now, we'd like to show you the strength of the creativity tools inside Toolbox and how powerfully they work together.
That's right. Let's see how we can turbocharge your thinking.
Let's start with a piece of writing and select Create, Plan and Write. And let's use Freewriter.
Immediately, we're taken to the mind map. Let's fill this out.
Once we are done, select your best ideas and the order in which you think they should be written.
This is where Toolbox gets really clever.
Because you are using both the mind map and planning tools, now, when you go to plan, Toolbox has already pre-filled your box plan with your first, second, and third best idea, and named that paragraph after your idea.
That is so smart. But more than that, if you want to change the order of your paragraphs, the ideas go along with them.
If you want to add an idea from your mind map, you can simply drag and drop the idea from the mind map onto one of your paragraph boxes. Automatically, that is the new heading for that paragraph.
You can add additional paragraphs and fill those with additional ideas.
Move through to Write, and everything that you have altered and shaped stays with you and is there next to you as you go to write.
Toolbox makes planning fun, and no thinking is ever wasted.